Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna learn how to create table using our MySQL and also rename the table. So just click on search and open your MySQL Workbench. Before that, just here enter your password. Entering my password, click on OK button. After that, select new tab. Then just select schema before you creating any table. Then start the query. Like, suppose you want to create some employee table, then write the query create table employee employee. Okay, and then here press the enter and add the parameters. Like if you want to create an employee ID, then just write emp underscore id, and you know the type of id, it is a integer type. Then give the data type and the size. For the integer you don't need to specify the size, just add the comma, press the enter, then add employee name emp underscore name. Here you have to specify the varchar data type for the string purpose and the size of the string, how much character you are gonna enter into the employee name. So I am taking here suppose 100, then again comma, just press the enter and enter the employee underscore salary. For salary purpose I am taking decimal data type. In that we are specified how much character we are gonna enter. Done. Just select the query and execute that. And execute. Here we have successfully created the table employee. Let's check the table whether it is created or not. See here one table employee. In that schemas you can see the information, table name and columns, employee ID, employee name, employee salary. Okay, so after that if you want to add some parameters, like we have created the employee ID, employee name and salary, then we have to keep some data, maintain some data into the employee ID, employee name and salary. Then just insert the data by using insert query. Write the query insert table name, insert table employee, table name you have to write here, insert into table. Which table? Employee table. Just select the employee table, paste here and start the parenthesis. Before that, what kind of data you are entering, like integer for the employee ID, varchar for the employee name and decimal for the employee salary. So you have to give one here in that bracket. Okay, before that you have to add one query values. So if you want to enter multiple values into the parenthesis, then click values, otherwise we can go with the value. So we have multiple things to enter into the parenthesis, that's why we are selecting values. After that, follow this sequence. First write employee ID, then employee name, then salary. Okay, employee ID 01 comma, then what kind of data we are entering, string or varchar, that's why we are using double inverted comma. Where can suppose we have taken name Sam, then comma, then salary. Salary, suppose I have taken 30 rupees. Okay, I know this is very less, but it's okay. It is for example purpose only. Then enter comma and execute this query. So we have successfully insert the data into the employee table. If you want to check, just open the employee table. Otherwise, or you can enter select query, select employee table, select star from employee, and just add the semicolon. Select the query, enter the query. Here we can see I have added employee ID 1, employee name Sam, and employee salary 30 rupees. Okay. So we have just added one employee data. If you want to add multiple employee data in single query, I will tell you how to add. Okay. So guys, just focus, select this query, copy that, paste here. Just before creating the multiple data, we have to follow the sequence for the employee ID because it is not null and also not duplicate. So we have to change it. Please take care of these things before we are execute the query. So I have created already employee ID for 1. So I am taking employee ID 2, taking name Mario, and the salary is 40. Okay. Then enter the same data here like that. Three, name is Senorita, and salary is 10. Okay, let's check whether the data is adding properly or not. Just select the query and execute. See, there is a green mark, that means we have successfully entered the data. So if you want to check the data whether we have added successfully or not, just click the select query and run it. See, first we have added one data for the Sam employee and salary 30 rupees. Then we have added multiple data in single query. So after that, if you want to change, suppose you want to change the employee salary name data, then you have to just use alter query. Suppose I want to change uh, column name, then I can enter query like see, I'm writing query, just focus, like alter, then table, then select the table, which table you have to add changes or modify the changes, then select column name. Before that, what kind of operation you want to do? I want to change the column name, that's why I am adding the rename. Okay, after that, column name, which column you have to modify. I want to modify employee salary, so I am taking EMP underscore salary. Okay, to employee salary. I want to change name from the employee salary to employee salary, IMP salary to employee salary. So let's check. Before executing query, here you can see the salary table name is EMP salary. After executing name, let's check. See, we have successfully changed the name of AMP salary to employee salary. Okay, so that's it for day. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe.